Are you ready, kids?
Aye, aye, Captain!
I can't hear you!
Aye, aye, Captain!
Oh! Who lives in a pineapple under the sea?
SpongeBob SquarePants!
Absorbent and yellow and porous is he.
SpongeBob SquarePants!
If nautical nonsense be something you wish,
SpongeBob SquarePants!
then drop on the deck and flop like a fish.
SpongeBob SquarePants!
Ready? SpongeBob SquarePants! SpongeBob SquarePants! SpongeBob SquarePants! SpongeBob SquarePants!
Hi, my name is Vivien. Today I want to talk about the plankton background. Sheldon J. Plankton, more commonly known as Plankton, is one of the 10 main characters in the SpongeBob SquarePants franchise. Plankton, as his shuggest name, tiny green planktonic corpus who can fit in a palm of one hand. He has some stubby appendages and one yellow eyes with a red pupil. Besides that, he also has two long and skinny antennae with 4 small spikes sticking out along them. He also has one black thick eyebrow. He has no ear, nose, finger or toes, but he can sprout 4. He is arch competitor of Mr. Krabs. He ran a massively unsuccessful restaurant called the Charm Bucket alongside Karen, a waterproof computer who is his sidekick and wife. The side bucket is highly unpopular in Bikini Bottom because it serves Charm, a type of bed made from fish meat. Both Plankton and Karen are the two main villains of the franchise. Plankton, despite his rival Mr. Krabs for running a successful business, because his own business rarely get any customer. He is incredibly jealous of Mr. Krabs and he is successful. His main goal is to steal Mr. Krabs' secret formula for his Krabby Patty and running Mr. Krabs out of business. Karen gave him a variety of evil plans to steal it, but their effort always end up failing in the process. While Plankton is usually portrayed as an evil character, he is sometimes shown as a sympathy anti-hero in episodes that focus on him. He is voiced by Mr. Lauren, one of the show staff writer. Stephen Hillenburg originally planned for Plankton and Karen to be one-time character, but put them into many episodes and proved that they could work as the main villain. Both Plankton and Karen first appear in the episode Plankton. Plankton's success at stealing formula in the SpongeBob SquarePants. That's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum and hi. My name is NORAZLINA binti AZMAN. Okay, I will continue my part. I will explain about the survey of the research. Before we start redesign the Plankton from SpongeBob SquarePants series, we make a survey of the character first. This survey is to know what the others' opinion about this character. It is also aimed to know whether the people out there know or not about the character, which is Plankton. Maybe some of them who are not the fan of watching cartoon do not know about the character of Plankton. But we had put the picture of Plankton in our question as a guideline for the people to answer our question. Even though they do not know about the Plankton very well, but at least when they are looking at the character's picture, they still had something to give comment or give suggestion about the character. We use mixed method, which is combining quantitative and qualitative method in a single Google form. We make a Google form as our platform to do the survey and distribute the Google form through social media such as WhatsApp. We also use probability samples, and the type is simple random. We select random people for answering our survey. There are 70 respondents that participate in our survey. Mostly they are from university students. These questions were made for collecting some data to help us in our design on Plankton character, and to know Plankton design, and to know what respondent point of view regarding Plankton design itself. The questions that we ask are about his body shape, whether he is suitable in human body or his origin body, his body color, his eyes, whether with one eye or two eyes, his antenna, his outfit as he doesn't wear any clothes, and at the end of our survey form, we also ask the respondent to give suggestion what things they need to be improved to make our design better in the future. Based on the survey, we found that there are more people who knows about the Plankton character except for one respondent only. They also want to keep the Plankton origin body. They want to keep the Plankton origin body shape and color, but with two eyes. They are also prefer Plankton with clothes. After we consider with all the answers given, we then came out with 4 ideas. That's all from me. Thank you.
Thus, we redesigned the character based on data from the survey one. So here is 4 redesign that we create, and they need to choose. Okay. For this task, we need to do a survey again and ask their opinion and feedback about our redesign, and also to choose our final. For the survey, we use mixed method in which it's mixing the quality and quantitative data. A Google form to do a survey and choose a social media as our platform, in which they can get a link from the WhatsApp, IG, and Twitter. We use non-probability. We decide to choose a convenience sample and snowball, and there are 34 respondents that participate in the survey, and all of them require to answer the question for our survey, in which it contains multiple choice, dichotomous question, closed-ended question. Data, we get the feedback. We discover that we should to improve our redesign in clothing, which is 23.5%, 29.4% asking for improve in color, and also there are 5.9% responded asked to change pattern for the free face less violence. Thank you.
A very good day to you. Okay, first of all, I want to introduce myself. My name is Ameera NATASHA binti Saini, and I'm going to present to you about the final design of Plankton's character in SpongeBob SquarePants series. which is our research project. Based on the feedback by our respondents, majority of them have choose Plankton Design 1 as final for this research project. Most of them have decided not to change any of the design that we have designed at the first place, which is Design 1. But some of the respondents have suggested to improve the design, so we consider about what they want. So, we have designed the Plankton's character for final as they suggest, which is to keep the color, the originality color of the Plankton itself, which is green color. Okay. Besides that, there want Plankton's face become less violent or less evil because this series is most watched by kids. So they want Plankton's character to be less violent. Okay. And also they have suggested to change the style of Plankton's outfit. So we have decided to make Plankton's outfit's color more light, which is we want to show his identity from the series itself. Okay. So the final for our design of Planktons in SpongeBob SquarePants series looks like this. Okay, that's all from our group. Thank you.